Okay, hello YouTube. Um, Again today we're gonna be taking off the rear seat belts for this 2022 Nissan Frontier. As you can see, the seat belt is locked, and it's quite different from every other vehicle. But as I look at this shouldn't be hard at all to get out. There is a 14 millimeter right here, and there's another one inside this place. So the first we're gonna need to remove this cover right here. If you look at this, you can see that the belt is, it's locked. So we're gonna take off this cover right here. Pry this open right here. It should not be that hard. That's open, and then we take out this 14 millimeter. We take this 14 millimeter out also, and then release this seat. Once that is out, that's where the jack for this vehicle is. So it's out. Then we're gonna take off this cover. To take off this cover, I believe that should give us access to where the main retractor is down here, and then that we should be able to get our seat belt out. So I'm gonna be using a 14 millimeter speed wrench here, because this one is a little tight, so I'm gonna use for that. So once I take that off, and then we'll go from there. So we're using that wrench because that ratchet, because that place is a little tight. We can't use a box spanner there, so the power tool won't get in there unless I would have to remove the seat, and I don't want to do that. So they should be able to do this within a pretty much shortest time possible. So do that. Now that is out, so you can see that's out. Then work on this one here. Work on this. We'll take this off also. Yeah, it's a little tight. Yeah, get my ratchet. I was trying to escape. Well, I've actually used a power tool to take this off. That is okay. Get that done quickly with this also. So that's out. Then next, let's take off this panel here, and take off that panel. Just pull it. That's the way. Another pull. Everything. We'll pull that. This is pinning it down. there. I'm gonna pry this open a little bit here, so give me room. See, gives me room there. Pry that open and pull this out. See, yeah. So you can see. So this one out of the way. That's out of the way. So you can see we have the airbag sensor. There's one here. See, anywhere you see yellow like this, that's going to the SRS airbag sensor. That's that. There's the airbag sensor for the back. That goes to the roof or curtain airbag, and then that also links to these. That links to these retractor here. That's the reason why this retractor is locked once it was in a crash. So we're gonna take off this plug right here, which is the airbag plug, and then I believe this is a 14mm also. I'll try and get a box ratchet to a box spanner to do this. As you look at, you're gonna see that's a 14mm right here, so holding it down. So we're gonna get that out, and I believe that's pretty much what it is. And once this is out, so once this plug is off, and this plug and this bolt here also goes out, this should, our tractor should automatically come out. In one of the other videos, I already showed us how to remove this plug here, because it's not like the other regular plugs. They're a little bit different. As you can see, they're a little bit different. Something like that, regular plugs. You see this one right here? You just need to I'm not sure if you can see that clearly, but you see here, right here, this pin here, you just need to pry that pin up a little bit and push it down. So push it down here. That should give you the kind of release you want, and then you can pull this out. I won't be able to show you so much because I'm using one hand to hold the camera and another hand to do this, so I'm gonna need to put the camera down while I pull that out. So just push it in and push it up, and once you push it and push it up, you can also push it in like that and push this thing up this way. You know, just pry it up a little bit. That way you can just pull out the connector, and it's gonna release itself. So as you can see, the plug is out, and I took out the 14mm there also, so we can just release this from the connect from this place, which is, and then there you go. We have a seat belt for the 22 Nissan. The rear seat belt is out, and that's the same thing we're gonna do for that side. So it's the same process, easy peasy. So again, do me a favor, like, share and subscribe to our channel so you can help us grow, and we can keep bringing you more exciting videos like this. Thank you.